Welcome back. We have discussed the use of Vlookup and Hlookup to merge information from two or more tables. We also learned how to return a value based on search key horizontally or vertically. Let's look at some of the advanced lookups and reference functions. Here we'll explore how to know the position of a value in a given range, how to get the particular cell value based on given row and column number in a table range, how to access value of a cell based on the input of another cell or string input of cell references. We'll also learn how can we select a range if we don't know the complete range address, how to look up values from left and many more. Let's look at these functions which helps to perform these operations. First, look at the function match. This helps to find the position of a search value in a table or range. It is similar to function Vlookup. The difference between these two is Vlookup returns the corresponding value against the search value, whereas match returns the position of search value. Look at the syntax of match. It has lookup value, lookup array and optional match type. Value of match type can be -1, 0 or 1. Let's understand it with an example. Here I want to know the date of joining for employees A004 and A006. To return the date of joining, we'll write the function as equals to Vlookup, the corresponding employee code A004 and the entire table, which is the table array. The column index is 2 because we need to find the date of joining, which is in the second column, and we want the exact match, which is false. Press enter. Let's copy this formula to the next cell also. If we want to recheck the output, we can also see that for the employee A004, the date of joining is 21st October as we have got using the formula. Next is to find the position of these employees in the table range, for which we'll use the function match equals to match the employee code A004 and the lookup array is the range of employee code, comma, and the match type is exact match 0. Press enter. So we'll now copy this formula to the next employee as well. To recheck the output, we can simply go and check for A004. The relative position of A004 in this column is 4th as we have got the output. In case of employee code A006, we have got the output as 5th, whereas if you see that the position of A006 employee is 6th. The reason being we have not freezed the table array. So we'll now just put $sign in front of the table array and press enter. Copy the formula to the next cell. And we have got the answer as 6. Unhide the columns. We will now unhide the columns to do more exercises. Let's understand the match type. Here I have a range of numbers sorted in descending order and another table has a list of lookup values. Now I want to find the position of these lookup values in range 1 and if it is not there, return the position of next higher number. Here the values of match type arguments would work. To perform it, we need to put -1 as a match type argument. Let's put the formula as equals to match. We'll now move to the lookup value and the next is table lookup array, which is this range, comma, and the match type should be greater than, which is -1. Press enter. Copy this formula to the other cells. Here you would notice the value 5 that we had looked up does not exist in the range, but still we have got its relative position. The reason being, we have used the match type as -1, which means that the formula has checked for the value which is greater than 5. Hence, it has directly considered the value 15, which is at the position 8, and hence returned its position. There is one catch while using this function. Whenever we use -1 as match type argument, the data set must be sorted in descending order. Now the next question is, what about if I want to know the position of lower number, not higher, if not exact match found? Here we'll use 1 as a match type value and here data must be sorted in ascending order. Range 1 data set has been sorted in ascending order. So we can straight away move to the formula. We'll just write formula as equals to match the lookup value, lookup array, and this time we'll take the match type as 1. Press enter and copy the formula to the rest of the cells. So in this case also you must have noticed that 5 is not available in the range, but since 4 is there, the formula has looked for the value which is nearest to 5 but lower than it. In this case you can also see that for the lookup value 5 it has returned the position 1 because we have used the match type as 1 and hence it has returned the position of the next lower value, which is 4. By this we come to an end of this video. In the next video we'll look at index functions. Thank you.